I'm at PiCademy up here in Mountain View, and we are learning about coding our Raspberry Pi. And in case you don't know what it is, let me show you. This is our Raspberry Pi unit. It has a power cord, HDMI, and then this is a camera. It does this HD camera, and it has a place, a USB to put in a keyboard, a mouse, and then it has a little unit right here. I forget what it's called, but that plugs into a breadboard which run these different LEDs. And we're using a program called Thonny, and we're writing Python code. And so I'm gonna try this code right here to record a video, and it's gonna give me a preview, and it's gonna save my video on this computer, and it's gonna record for 5 seconds, and then after that it's gonna stop recording and stop the preview. All right, I'm going to click on this run my current script, and then a preview should pop up, and there's my preview, and it's recording me for 5 seconds, and then it's off. And now if I go into my files, under videos, I'll be able to watch my video.
Video?
Yes.